Good day, investors. My name is Lawrence, and thank you so much for watching this channel. A channel talks about investing in stock market and also talks about financial independence. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss out on other new uploads. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today, I'm going to be talking about yet another topic, and it is about Safaricom once again. I believe this is like the third time I'm talking about Safaricom in less than 2 months. So it means Safaricom is making a lot of headlines, actually not a bad ones, but a positive ones. And Safaricom, I'm going to be talking about its newly launched money market fund, which was launched last month, and the money market fund is called Ziidi Money Market Fund. Actually, it was launched last year around December, and I talked about it. And if you haven't seen my video about Ziidi Money Market Fund, you need to first watch it before you can watch this video. So, of course, there are a lot of news about Ziidi Money Market Fund. Says Ziidi Money Market Fund hits 2.85 billion Kenyan shillings. So I'm going to be talking about what does this mean and how is it going to affect Safaricom as a company. Is it, of course, it's a positive move, but is it something that is adding anything to Safaricom company, which is a very, very big company, and to the investors who are us, what does this mean? So basically, I'm going to be reading through like three outlets that the news online newspapers that produced this news, and also I'll be adding my own opinion about this money market fund. As always, I'll have to first make a disclaimer. When you're going to invest, when you're going to do anything that where you're putting your money, always do your own research, because investment carries such risks. And so, directly, without wasting any time, let's go to the news, and also be sharing my own opinion on this. So I have this is from Safaricom. I have this, it's called noclickmedia.co.ke, and I have another one which is capitalfm.co.ke. So I will just begin with this. So it says Safaricom's Ziidi Money Market Fund has achieved 2.8 billion in assets under management just a month after its launch, with over 450 users on board. So it says Ziidi Money Market Fund is a unit trust product allowing customers to earn daily interest by investing funds from their M-Pesa wallets. So just while no maximum investment cap, the daily M-Pesa transaction limit of 500,000 and per transaction limit 250 apply. Definitely this is the limit for the M-Pesa. If you're on M-Pesa, you know this. Ziidi Money Market Fund is part of our efforts to diversify M-Pesa beyond payments to promote financial wellness. This is the Safaricom CEO, Mr. Peter. The fund is managed in partnership with Standard Investment Bank and ARA Capital Limited. You know about it if you read my video before. And so basically, this is it. So maybe I'll first react on this. So as you can say, it already hit 2.8 billion, and about 450,000 investors do invested their money. So if you check, if you follow up money market fund, so far there are a lot of money market fund that manage less than 2.85 billion. So this is a very, very big milestone, and in a year's time it's going to be a very, very big fund, and this is going to be adding more money to Safaricom, and as investors, definitely when they are paying dividends, this is going to be definitely adding to our incomes. So this is basically that's it. So another, let's read from Safaricom itself. What does it say? As of 21st January 2025, it says Safaricom partners with investment firms to unveil Ziidi Money Market Fund powered by M-Pesa. So basically, 2025 was the official opening or official launching of Ziidi Money Market Fund. Last month, it was just soft opening, but by the end of the month, it had already accumulated this amount. So this is how popular this product is. So I will just be reading maybe highlights. So Safaricom NSA, in partnership with two fund managers, Standard Investment Bank, Ala Capital, we talked about it already, has today announced the official launch of Ziidi Money Market Fund, a money market fund that leverages the convenience of M-Pesa to give customers simple, faster, and smart way to invest and grow wealth. Ziidi Money Market Fund is a unit trust enabling customers to earn interest by investing funds from their M-Pesa wallet into Ziidi account. The interest earned is accrued to Ziidi wallet daily, allowing the investors' money to grow, therefore generate more value. So since opening to the public December 2024, Ziidi Money Market Fund has attracted over 450,000 opt-ins with over 2.85 billion assets under management. So you can read through basically, and this is how you can invest. Customers can easily opt in to Ziidi Money Market Fund on M-Pesa app or through USSD by dialing a short code star 334 star 5 hash. Upon opt-in, customers can immediately start investing. So you can read through. There is a lot of information here to read. Definitely, as I had said before, this is a very good product, and I can say instead of keeping your money on M-Pesa without it gaining anything, just dial this or go to the app and invest. Even if it generates 1 Kenyan shillings, even if it generates 5 Kenyan shillings, as long as there is no charge for investing it and withdrawing it on your wallets, please go for it. Definitely, it is better than most of other a lot of money market funds, because this one does not need any like know-how or any research. So you just have to dial these numbers and you're in the investment. So I will finally be reading through this, which is noclickmedia.co.ke. Actually, this one gives a more detailed about the benefits, about how you can. So I highly recommend you go to noclickmedia.co.ke and read this article about Ziidi Money Market Fund. So it says Safaricom's Ziidi Money Market Fund attracts Kenyan shillings 2.85 billion in the first month. So already we know about this. So, but it has a very you can read through this. So let's read through about understanding Ziidi Money Market Fund. Ziidi Money Market Fund offers accessible, user-friendly way for Kenyans to invest in regulated money market fund backed by Safaricom. It is operated in partnership with Standard Investment Bank and Ala Capital. Definitely, we know about it already. So we are going to read firms with a strong track record in wealth management. Here is Ziidi. Here is how Ziidi stands out. Basically, number one is seamless integration with M-Pesa. So it says the Ziidi Money Market Fund leverages M-Pesa massive user base of 30 million active users to provide hassle-free investment. Investors can deposit, withdraw funds directly from their M-Pesa accounts, ensuring convenience. This is extremely one of the reasons why I love this Ziidi Money Fund. You just can invest it, you can put your money anytime you need it, you can remove it, yet it is accumulating interest. So if you have M-Pesa, or if you have money on your M-Pesa, definitely if you're not putting it in Ziidi Money Market Fund, you're losing out 100%. I can confirm this is a product that is 100% secure. So why not put your money in M-Pesa Ziidi Money Market Fund? So let's go to say there is low entry barrier with the minimum of investment 100. So it only requires 100 Kenyan shillings to put your money in money market fund. Definitely you can read through. So there is daily interest accrual. Definitely every money market fund does accrue interest almost daily basis, but normally on monthly basis, that's when it is calculated. So this is definitely a no-brainer if you have information about money market fund. So there is says zero withdrawal charges. Slightly a bit misleading because this is only when you're putting on your wallet and removing on your wallet. But when you're making a withdrawal from M-Pesa or from an agent, definitely they will charge you, but it's only within putting your money on Ziidi wallet and also removing, not the real withdraw. Basically, they should have been very, very clear on this. Regulatory oversight, definitely it's regulated by Capital Markets Authority. So this one here is like summarizing what it achieved last month. It says attracted over 450,000 investors, accumulated 2.85 billion in assets under management, achieved retention rate that outperformed area initiatives. Basically, you can compare the saying comparing Ziidi to previous money market fund. There was also Mari, if you know about it. So you can read through. I'm not going to read everything because, as I said, if you go to noclickmedia.co.ke, it's going to give you all the information about this. You can read driving financial inclusion, says accessibility across demographics, mobile-based convenience, empowered financial literacy, impact on Kenya's financial landscape. So I'm summarizing definitely, says increase the competition in the investment sector. Investment actually, for this, definitely it improves people access to money market fund because the more competition, the more companies will be offering better offers, better interest, and to us as investors, as it will be benefiting us 100%, boosting economy, enhancing digital transformation. So there are a lot of things. Definitely you need challenges. There are also challenges, they are talking about it, regulatory compliance. Definitely this one, they already they complied, user awareness, definitely future prospects of Ziidi Money Market Fund. So you can read through this article, and as I said, basically this is what it is about. So as you have read, as you have seen, this is 100% something that I support as an investor in Safaricom. I'm so happy that it is doing very well because I know at the end of the day, when it makes money, I make money because Safaricom pays a dividend, and the more money they make, the more dividend they will be paying. Actually, I made a video recently saying that the Safaricom is a company to watch in 2025, and one of the reasons I gave was Ziidi Money Market Fund, and I'm happy that it's growing and it will keep growing because, first of all, most people have money in Safaricom M-Pesa. So instead of keeping the money on M-Pesa, you just transfer the money from M-Pesa and give it to Ziidi Money Market Fund so that they can manage it for you as you save your money. This is, if you haven't done this, definitely it's something that you're missing out. But as I said, this is my personal opinion. Please, when you're going to invest, make sure that you make your own opinion. And actually, most of the subscribers, I mean, most of the viewers are not subscribed. And if you're not subscribed, please, I would like to request you to subscribe so that we can grow in numbers. When we grow in numbers, more people will have access, will be, our channel will be like the viewed, and also many people will be able to watch our videos. Ziidi Money Market Fund, it's something, let's wait and see how long it's going to be doing, and I'm very sure 100% it's going to do well, because I can see there are up to 30 million active M-Pesa users. If maybe 15 half of the 30 million people use M-Pesa and they invest their money in Ziidi Money Market Fund, I can say it's going to be the largest money market fund in Kenya, and I can assure you this is a game changer in Kenya's money market fund. So basically, if you have any questions regarding this, regarding investing in Kenya, within East Africa, anything about finance, you can put a comment. I will immediately be able to answer you. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.